get those pencils ready. We're gonna be doing Stacy Plays. Okay, so to start with, we are going to start with a box in the middle, like this, just the top of the box. And then we're gonna draw a box underneath. Whew, I'm crooked. All right, and then we're gonna lower our box and come across like that. All right, then we're gonna draw a box slightly wider than this up here. Okay, and then we're gonna put a little top piece on like so. And then we're gonna go down and across, down, across, down, across. Okay, now we can start getting some details on it. All right, so first of all, we have a line coming across here because the bottom is her hands. And then we have a line coming up, stepping up, over, up here, and coming back down like that. And then we have one rectangle here, two, those are her eyes. Then we have another rectangle here and another one here. And then we have her mouth right here, and there is Stacy Plays' face. All right, now we're gonna draw underneath that. So this is her hair coming down, coming across, and then back up and not quite to there. And there's her like ponytail or whatever that is. I'm not quite sure. All right, then in this corner, we have one rectangle here, and then we have another rectangle here, and then that hooks up to another rectangle here, a little box right there, and a rectangle here, and then we have another rectangle right here, and another one here that matches up. Okay. Then on this side, we have a long rectangle like that. And then we have this thing coming across. So we're gonna draw a box, and then it's gonna come across, and then it's gonna come down, and then we're gonna go down again and across and down, down, across, down. It's kind of thick down there. There we go. All right, so then over here we're gonna have one more line. She's wearing a stripy outfit, and then we have a line coming across here, and we have a line coming across there, and then we have a little box right there. Another line right there, and then put another stripe here, here, and right there. Woo, that's stripy. Okay, so now we're gonna take care of Stacy's pants. Okay, so we have one little brown square here. And we have a long rectangle, short rectangle. I think that's like the top of her pants. Then we have a line with a rectangle. This is light gray or dark gray, light gray for her belt. There we go. And then we have some stripes here. Let's see. There we go. We have stripes there. And then 2 lines. We have a little square on that side. We have a little square, a long rectangle, and another little square. We have a square and a square. Square, long rectangle, square. And then one last blue strip, rectangle. There we go. And then we have her shoes, so a line in the middle, rectangle, rectangle. Hello, Stacy. Oh, you know what? We forgot the chin right here. There we go. Now we're done. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.